Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and another day and another 24H2 problem popping up. It seems that as more and more users are moving on to 24H2, we're also seeing more problems. Two new issues that Microsoft has confirmed is happening. One is what the anti-cheat service in games that apparently makes PCs either freeze or crash at times. The other one has to do with the camera app. When you're using, not the app, but the cameras itself. When you're using a webcam or the camera of your laptop, what happens is that many have noticed that some apps that use the camera will freeze temporarily for 20, 30 seconds at a time, then come back to normal. And that is also something that has been acknowledged by Microsoft on 24H2. Right now, it seems like Microsoft, which was trying to push 24H2, is actually putting more and more blockers right now to that version of Windows. And it also seems that the update process, when people go into Windows Update and they're on 23H2, and move on to 24H2, there's a high number of users that say the install goes through a big, majority of the install goes through. And what happens is that it reverts back suddenly to 23H2, saying that it can't install. So that is also something that is seen right now. Microsoft says that for some of the people that have that problem, either using the Windows Update tool to fix it works, or that you can go and upgrade directly from the website of Microsoft. That apparently works also. But we're seeing more and more issues with 24H2, which is kind of interesting. Maybe it hasn't been tested enough. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.